Weld preparation. A preparation for making a connection where the individual components, suitably prepared and assembled, are joined by welding or brazing. Features of a weld preparation: the angle at which the edge of a component is prepared for making a weld. For an MMA weld on carbon steel plates, our angle is 25 to 30 degree for a V preparation, 8 to 12 for a U preparation, 40 to 50 degree for a single bevel preparation, 10 to 20 degree for a J preparation. Included angle: the angle between the planes of the fusion face of parts to be welded. In the case of single V or U and above and double V or U, this angle is twice the bevel angle. In the case of single or double bevel, single or double J bevel, the included angle is equal to the bevel angle. Root face: the portion of a fusion face at the root that is not beveled or grooved. Its value depends on the weld process used. Parent metal to be welded and application. For a full preparation weld on carbon steel plates, it has a value between 1 to 2 mm for the common welding process. Gap: the minimum distance at any cross section between edge ends to surface to be joined. Its value depends on the weld process used and application. For a full penetration weld on carbon steel plate, it has a value between 1 to 4 mm. Root radius: the radius of the curved portion of the fusion face in a component prepared for a single J or U, double J or U weld. In case of MMA, MIG, MAG and oxy-fuel gas welding on carbon steel plates, the root radius has a value of 6 mm for single and double U preparation and 8 mm for single and double J preparation. Land: the straight portion of a fusion face between the root face and the curved part of a J or U preparation, can be zero. Usually present in weld preparation for MIG welding of aluminum alloy. Types of preparation: open square butt preparation. This preparation is used for welding thin component either from one or both sides. If the root gap is zero, i.e. if components are in contact, this preparation becomes a closed square butt preparation, not recommended due to the lack of penetration problems. This shape for bevel angle. This sketch for butt welding joint. This is gap. This is root face. This is bevel angle, single bevel angle. If we include both, then this called included angle. Single V preparation. The V preparation is one of the most common preparations used in welding. It can be produced using flame or plasma cutting, cheap and fast. For thicker plates, a double V preparation is preferred since it requires less filler material to complete the joint and the residual stress can be balanced on both sides of the joint, resulting in resistance in lower angle distortion. Double V preparation. The depth of preparation can be the same on both sides. Symmetric double V preparation or can be deeper on one side compared with the opposite side. Symmetric double V preparation. Usually in this situation, the depth of preparation is distributed as 2 or 3 of the thickness of the plate on the first side, with the remaining 1/3 on the back side. This asymmetric preparation allows for a balanced welding sequence with root back gouging, giving lower angle distortion. Whilst single V preparation allow welding from one side, double V preparation required access to both sides. The same applies for all double side preparation. This sketch for U-type bevel angle. This is root gap, this root face, and this we call land. This straight portion we call land. This is curved like curve root radius. This single called angle of bevel. When we include both sides, then this name is included angle.